Hi Pythonians! Today I'm going to show you how to transfer your favorite image into an skart by Python. The library that we are going to use is called PyHuaKit. It's a first-door library, but today I just need the function of skart. First of all, I have to check if the version of my Python meets the requirement of PyHuaKit. PyHuaKit supports Python 3.8 or greater, so you have to upgrade it if your version is older than 3.8. Then I install PyHuaKit with pip, and I import PyHuaKit. And then we can choose the picture that we want to transform. Here, I chose the famous photo on the internet. In 2019, Mr. Suga announced to the world that Reiwa is the name of the new imperial era of Japan. I read the photo to show it, and then I gave it the code like this. Here you put your image name, and after the comma you need to name the output file. It will transfer to a text file, and then you can read the file and see if it looks like what you expected. You can put whatever you want to transfer, including PNG file. Thanks for watching. Goodbye until next time.